Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 3.3 question number 7. The adjacent figure HOPE is a parallelogram. Find the angles, measures x, y and z. State the properties used to find them. Let us find. Here you see. Here you see. Let us solve this problem. Here you see. This is a parallelogram. That means EP is parallel to HO. EP is parallel to HO. And PH is the transversal. PH is the transversal. PH is the transversal. Therefore, we can write that y is equal to 40 degree. The reason is that they are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior. Alternate interior angles. So we got the value of y as 40 degree. Therefore, this is 40 degree. This is 40 degree. That is, the value is 40 degree. Here you see, the value of y is 40 degree. Right? The value of y is 40 degree. Now you see, this angle, this is 40 degree. This is 40 degree, right? And you got this value. This is, that is, if we take this as W, let us take this angle as W, the HOP, that is angle W plus 70, W, that is W plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Reason is that this is a linear pair. Here you see, this angle plus this angle is 180 degree. 80 degree it is a straight line angle. Therefore, straight angle, or you can say this is a linear pair. This is a linear pair. Now you got the value of W as 180 degree minus 70 degree. Therefore, the value of W is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree is 110 degree. 110 degree. Therefore, the value of W is 110 degree. 110 degree. That is 110. Value of W is 110 degree. 110 degree. Now angle W is equal to angle X, and that is also equal to 110 degree. 110 degree. 110 degree. This is also 110 degree. The reason is that because opposite angles of a parallelogram is equal. With opposite angles are equal. The reason is that opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. That means this is also 110 degree. Here you see, this is also 110 degree. 110 degree. Right, this is 110 degree, this is 40 degree, and this we have to find the value of Z. Now in triangle. Now in triangle, in triangle HOP, H in triangle HOP, in triangle HOP, angle Y plus W plus Z is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? That the sum of the angles in a triangle is always 180 degree. The sum of the angles, the sum of the angles of the angles, sum of the angles of a triangle, of a triangle, of a triangle is 180 degree, right? So the value of Y is 40 degree. The value of W is 110 degree plus Z is equal to 180 degree, or 110 plus 40, 150 degree, 150 degree plus Z plus Z plus Z plus Z is equal to 180 degree, or the value of Z is equal to the value of Z, the value of Z is equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree, that is 30 degree, 30 degree. Therefore the value of Z is equal to 30 degree. Therefore the value of Z is equal to 30 degree. Therefore the value of Z is equal to 30 degree. We'll find all the values, right? That is x is equal to 110 degree, y is equal to 40 degree, and z is equal to 30 degree, right? We got all the values. Therefore the values of x is equal to values of x, the values of x is equal to 110 degree, 110 degree. The value of y is equal to 40 degree. The value of z is equal to 30 degree. The value of z is equal to 30 degree, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.